Restart it?
Yeah,
Oh, I was going to say he's got a hard handle.
that's okay.
So you should talk now.
So here we are, lifting a fully in-ground waste containment system by Sutera. We're in Greenville, South Carolina. This unit gets filled up quite regularly. Very efficient, self-compacting, and you can see from the shape of the bag that the load inside is very well packed. Roger is undoing the release cord, and he will be raising the entire unit over the back of his truck to the hopper for a clean. Isn't that a big bag, people? There's about 5+ cubic yards of garbage self-compacted inside that fully in-ground unit. This is our Sutera truck. Roger will locate that right above his yellow hopper, and with a sharp pull of the rope will unload the content in his compactor McNillis box. The load is empty. Very quick process. You can see that the boom isn't even fully extended on the truck. He's going to cinch the bottom of the bag again, which is 18-ounce fire retardant PVC coated fiber. Very, very strong and flame resistant, will not burn. So this unit is entirely flame resistant, fire resistant. It's in a concrete well, steel platform, steel tube, steel access lid, full security for animals, raccoons, bears, whatever else that you may find that gets into your collection system. Roger is tying the rope up into the clamp cleat now, putting it through the security. He will lower it momentarily and tie the rope to the secondary security system so that the rope doesn't come undone as you lift it up, as you lift the bag up. And then he'll store the rope inside a pouch so that it's secure and out of the way. Takes just a little bit of time. The return of the device back to the well is as important as taking it out of the well, and the more care you take with both applications, the easier and the faster it gets.